Hi guys, I'm sure that you are a beginner and looking for a simple video to find out how to apply false eyelashes. So see, I am just like you. I try out different techniques to figure out how to use lashes and this technique really clicked. This is the simplest and different video that you are going to find on YouTube. Now trust me on this. So yeah, without talking too much, let's get into the video. So at first I'm taking this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. You can use any kajal and then putting it very close to my lash line. Now the step is important and you will come to know why. Then I'm taking this eyelash glue and with a very thin brush I'm applying it all over my eyelids. Now I will be using these eyelashes. I have taken one and I'm trying to place it on the middle of my eyelids. As we are beginners, it is very difficult to stick fake eyelashes with your original lashes. So it's best to stick your falsies on your eyelids. And to avoid the gap between your eyelids and original lashes, I have used a black kajal. You know guys, your fingers play a very important role when it comes down to sticking falsies. Now I'm using my two fingers to press these falsies down. I believe it's not safe to use tweezers if you are not a pro, and then I am using my index finger and pressing the corner of the lashes. Now this is so important. Now with the help of a thin brush I am pushing my falsies back just to fix it. Now this is very important, you should do this step. Now the thing is that I will not say this is the most flawless tutorial on how to apply eyelashes you have seen on YouTube, but I can definitely say this is the most effective one. And see, I have already put on my lashes. Now I'm going to put on some eye makeup and yeah, this is how I look. So guys, definitely try this out and let me know in the comment section that how was your experience. So guys, see you all in my next video. Until then, tata, take care, bye bye.